Vaccine mandate deadline will soon impact businesses with 100 or more employees, including right here in Western Mass.
The latest move by the federal government to get us out of the pandemic has many people talking. Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford spent all day checking in with local businesses. She joins us live now in studio with what she's found. Paris?
Jordan, Chris, President Biden set a deadline of January 4th for workers in these businesses to get vaccinated or to undergo weekly COVID-19 testing. A lot of businesses in the area say they already have their own employee vaccine mandate, or they are putting policies in place to support the new federal policy. On Thursday, federal government COVID-19 rules were issued for companies that have 100 or more employees. Employees of those businesses will have to be vaccinated by January 4th or undergo weekly testing. This will affect about 84 million workers. We found different opinions on the decision among residents we talked to in Springfield.
It's unconstitutional. We're America. It's supposed to be freedom of choice, freedom of rights.
I honestly think it's a great thing. I think that vaccines are safe. The data's out there. People are very misinformed on what's going on.
The Occupational Safety and Health Administration will oversee enforcement. Companies that fail to comply could face penalties of nearly $14,000 per violation. However, it's unclear how they plan to keep track of those employers that aren't following the mandate. Western Mass News checked in with multiple businesses in the area. A representative with Mass Mutual says they are reviewing the new OSHA guidelines to see what it means for their employees. They say about 86% of their employees are already vaccinated. And in a statement, they say in part, quote, essential on-site employees who are not vaccinated are required to complete regular COVID-19 testing and continue to follow social distancing and mask requirements. And Bank of America, which has several locations in Western Mass, is taking a similar approach. The company does not have a vaccine mandate, but is strongly encouraging their employees to get vaccinated. And a representative says they are taking steps to ensure their business is ready to comply with the executive order. Now, Six Flags New England is also strongly encouraging their employees to be vaccinated. In a statement, a representative says in part, quote, we also provide our team members with voluntary weekly testing in all of our locations. We will continue to comply with all applicable federal, state, and local requirements as they evolve. Now, there's also a lot of educational institutions in the area that will fall into this category, but most we checked in with already has a vaccination mandate in place for their employees. Those include Springfield College, Mount Holyoke College, and Smith College. Now, there are still some questions to be raised about the new policy, including how these companies will be able to access quick and reliable testing for employees who are not vaccinated, an issue Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker hopes will be resolved soon.
I do believe there will be significant resources available this fall. And when I say resources here, I mean test kits, cheap ones, different kinds of ones that we've had available historically.
Now, under this order, workers will be able to ask for exemptions on medical or religious grounds to not get the COVID-19 vaccine. Reporting live in the studio, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.
Paris.